All right, let's get into it. Market opened 5 minutes ago. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on today. So far, we've just been shit in the bed overall. Just been pooping. Just overall bearish right now. So you see, respecting high, disrespecting lows. Obvious bearish order flow. Higher time frame. So we got these. We do got an SMT here too. You gotta see what happens. Mm, so far, I'm kind of neutral right now. We do have somewhat of a sell side liquidity. Do get some here, but this would be just it. I mean, unless we continue lower, but this is just a long shot, bro. This is just a long shot. Look at this. Yeah, definitely not gonna reach all the way down here. Like probably just today alone, mainly up to reach right here, mainly. If it still did a continuation to the downside. I'm hoping bullish today. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hoping bullish. Because we just been like shedding this whole time. But then again, can't really just hope when you're doing this kind of stuff. So all we gotta do is just wait, see what the market tells us for sure. Because we do got some buy side here. Got these. We just gotta see what happens for sure. Definitely. Shoots a high. Maybe has potential to sweep this low, but then again, you just invalidate the SMT, meaning bullishness. Let me see if there's any higher time frame key level. What did I see now? Besides this, the hourly. Nothing too bad. Let's see what. Maybe we're hoping for these highs at most. If not, to these equal highs. Would be my target for today. If we're showing signs of being bullish. Yeah. Just gotta wait overall. Where are we at? Yeah, so all this, we literally just gotta be waiting. You literally just gotta be wait. Can't really just rush into things. I mean, SMT changes to delivery. Looking like my model so far. Just see what happens. Just gotta wait. See what's going on over here. I've been trying to like that ass work this. I don't know, bro. It's not even working. Every time I try to use the microphone, it's just so quiet. It's so dumb too. Yesterday I was bullish on the day. I mean, overall, bro, I thought I was gonna go bullish. I saw a lot of people yesterday going bearish that day. You see, but then again, like if you see your model, you see your model. You know, you're not always gonna be right, and it also doesn't mean your model is wrong. You know, I've tested out my model consistently. I've done the numbers on it. It's a profitable system for sure. Might not always get some wins. Might not always lose. Might be on a losing streak, but then also hit a good banger the other day, the next day. Like, come on now. Like, not everything's 100%, and that's why you just have to stay in tune with yourself and have trust your system, and just gotta keep going, man. You gotta wait, see what happens. Still waiting for like one more confluence here. Either a retrace into an imbalance or a 50 for, you know, an extension, 25% extension. It even goes down that low, but just gonna see what happens. Ah, see, it tapped it in here. Let's see what happens on micros. Still waiting for at least one more confluence. Unless we get like no retracement. Unless we just fully get left behind, which is fine. I mean, it's whatever, bro. Stuff like that always happens. We got these strong equal eyes up here. See what's going on over here. Looks like we're just ripping, aren't we? I mean, this would have been valid too. ES would have been really valid. Why? Because it tapped into this order block right here. Taps in, pressure out of it. Some entry like this. To these lows. What if we have equal highs? Let me see. We got these. That's about it though. Still gotta wait for a retracement though. Just to be more cautious about that. Because it could just, because if I just enter, it could literally just be doing this. Just like, and then, and then, you know? Just rallying up. It's crazy right now. It's not a lot of utility. Why? Because look at news right now. There's literally no news today, and it's a Friday, so. Yeah, I just tapped into this 15 imbalance. It literally could just start ripping down. Why? Because it's still respecting bearish right now. We might have this SMT, but higher time frame, we're just pooping, bro. All about just patiently, bro. So you just gotta be patient about this. Just see what happens. If we start displacing lower and then break through this low, break through this imbalance, then I'd just be switch my bias for sure. That's just to keep an open mind though, because we are in a 15-minute imbalance and still in a bearish order flow. Okay, it tapped into an imbalance for sure. If we break through this 15-minute, then I'll enter. This is all practice, guys. It's literally just all practice for now. Getting reps in is key to this. Consistent reps. Literally just back test. Yeah. Really gotta be cautious here, especially in the 15-minute imbalance. Like I said, if we displace through it, should be good. Good enough of a confluence for me. Displace through that. So I think we still got this one too. Let's see where we at. Well, setting this order up right now. Still waiting for this 5-minute closure. See what happens. Okay. Looks like we close above. I'll take that one up. I'll actually target these highs. And then go break even these. Go break even at these highs. The reason why I have ticks on is just for you to like to not even worry about what's going on here and worry about what's going on here, man. Like when it just comes down to prop firms and live trading, like don't even worry about what's going on here. You got to be consistent and keep looking at the chart, see what's going on. You know, I know ES had like a better play for sure though. As you can see, look at the 2 minute, just taps into that. Could have done this, but I mean it's alright. Ain't no biggie, bro, at all. To this low, to these highs, which is fine. I mean, hey, it's all about learning, adapting, seeing what you see. Just got displaced through this. This is like the last line of defense for bearishness. If we break through this, then yeah, we'll be good for long. So you can see we wrote it like in the reversal macro. What time is it? Yeah, we're literally in the macro time. This would be the macro time if you guys don't know. It'd be 9:50 to 10:10. This would be the macro. Then this would be right here, and then we could take another one right here. Yeah. Not every day you're gonna see your model, and when you like get left behind, don't even try like if you're all the way up here and you're already like all the way up here, like you've already missed your entry. Like don't even try and bother entering at all. Like here, I have my own conflicts to do, bro. Like 15-minute broke through that 15-minute this imbalance, which is pretty good. This is like the last tiny defense that it's got to go through for it to still can be considered bullish. But overall, it's not like a bad entry at all for me. It's part of my model. Where are we at in this? Yeah, because we still have ES. Yeah, ES still got that imbalance. This is a little worrisome for me. Definitely should be a little bit better at spotting these two, especially with ES. What ES is doing, because look at this, still respecting this 50-minute imbalance, which is pretty worrisome. This might be like like the same as yesterday. Just almost touched that high, and then but ES did, and just continued lower. Oh my goodness, I'm not even trying to do that. Also, because yesterday, yeah, if you see your model, you always think like it said. Don't think that you're always wrong. I mean, you're gonna be wrong regardless in anybody, even if you're professional, even if like you have so much experience, you're bound to lose. But that's why you gotta use these type of market analysis, these confluences to identify to lessen your chances of losing, basically. Just gotta see what happens. Yeah, I might want to seek to this imbalance right here. Anything can happen, like you said. Just gotta keep a calm mind. Not move your stop loss. Just leave it where it's at. You get stopped out. Well, 2 minutes respecting this imbalance. Just gotta wait. It's all about just waiting. See what happens. Actually, I'll just keep it on for y'all if y'all want to see. That's what happened to me yesterday. I got edged on the break even, and then I got stopped out. Yeah, it's cool. For yes, needs to break through this high right here for it to still be considered bullish. Keep pushing higher. Yeah, just gotta get weight, man. So just gotta be waiting. It's all about patience. Don't worry. You follow as long as you follow your plan like 100%. That's all that matters. Because if you're just consistent doing that, you're straight long term. Imagine this is a longevity game. You gotta be think long term, not instant dopamine with profits. Be like, oh my goodness, I'm down. No, bro. Or oh, I got stopped out. Okay, like you're good, bro. You're good. You're straight. Why? Because you followed your plan. Yeah, macro's about to end. Bro, I'm not even trying to move this. Mind you, we've just been shedding this whole time. What the I'm not even trying to do that. Not even trying to do that. Literally, this is the last line of defense for the 15 minute. If once it breaks through, like it's overall gonna be bullish at that point. It's gonna seek for these. It's gonna seek for this, definitely. That's if it breaks through this. Yeah, because it's respecting it hard right now. What's ES doing? Definitely respecting this 15 minute. Would have doubted if a couple of people were already shorting. So it's like literally external to internal. That's all it did today. External to internal. Thing done wrong here is I entered too high. Literally what I was just telling you, like enter too high. That's the wrong. That's the wrong thing. When it just keeps ripping up like this, just full signature, then it just takes in an imbalance. Just wait for it. Just wait for stuff like that. So you learn, just learn from a failure. Learn, journal the failure. See what you could do better. Just learn from the mistake that when you make it, just go straight to journaling it. Because without data, it, it's useless, bro. So you don't repeat the process continuously. You try not to. And when you see this again, like you're like, oh shoot, we've been ripping up. No retracement. No inverse. No nothing. None of your conflicts got hit. And then until it's up here, like yeah, that's when you just gotta wait it off. Just gotta wait. That's it. Just gotta wait. You know. Just play through higher here. What just happened? What the hell? What the fuck? What just happened, bro? What? Did that just ruin it? No way. Wow, bruh. That just ruined it. What just happened, bro? I'm gonna have to look back on that. Wow. That's crazy. No idea what just happened there, bro. Love that. Either way. So this is why it's just practice, you know. Let's see. Plan would have worked out. Let's see, because I entered around here. Was it stops at these lows? These are the 3 minute, yeah. Stops at these. Buys at these. Just keep tracking it. Well, that it's even lagging. Like, why is TradingView always do this too? Yeah, the lag is pretty crazy. That always happens. And then the edge on the break even is crazy. Let's look. See? Mm. Let me close this. Is it right now? No? Put it right here. Damn, I thought it was so loud, bro. What's going on here, bro? See, now it's like lagging, really lagging, bro. I'm not even trying to answer off of that one. Don't tell me to answer more, bro. Oh yeah, TradingView is so dookie, so ass. Look at this. Late, super late, bro. And then answer on this one. You see? Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. Nah, get me out, bro. This is tweaked. This is tweaked out the wazzy for sure. Super tweaked. Look at this. Oh my. This is just tweaked, bro. See, this is what I mean, bro. You see that? How are you executing off me putting my stop loss at its low? That makes no sense. We got these eyes. Like, none of this matters, bro. Like, this is all just fake money, bro. And I'm on Ethernet too. Ethernet, bro. So it can't just be my Wi-Fi, you know. So when it consolidates and it's like doing this, consolidations lead to expansions. It's never consolidations lead to reversals. So like when it consolidates, it's just building up power. Think of it as like a spring, just builds up power and then just launches. So I think they fixed it now. This is my initial, like this is the initial just to keep track of it. That this is so annoying, bro. So annoying. Um, this would be it for that. And then another one. Right. Looks like we got back into our original position. I don't know. I don't know how we just got out of that. Can't we just be blowing sometimes? It just sucks, bro. It just be really sucky for no reason too. See, I just like edges this. It's crazy. Look at that. This would make any beginner on tilt get them on tilt for sure. Nah, imagine this happening on a prop firm. That would be fun. Nah, that would be insane, bro. That would be frustrating for sure. Cause all this, what just happened, bro? Like, come on now, bro. All right, looks like we're at break even now. And I guess they didn't take it for some reason. some reason it didn't take that. There you go. Now we're break even. Now this would be like the trade for sure. Like, I would not have been out. Would have still been in. Like I said, consolidations lead to expansion, so I know what I'm talking about. Like when it just consolidates and you're like up here, just expect it an expansion. With it, it's vice versa. If it's going down and it just consolidates, it just leads to expansions. It's like you see it right here, bro. Shoots down, retracement, shoots down, consolidates, expansion. Look at that. Look at that. Now it's lagging again, bro. Like, come on now. Yeah, bro. This thing blows for sure. What about? So, bruh. Well, that would have been the trade. Break even. Of course, with all these complications with trading view, of course, bro. I mean, I know I'm not the one having those complications, which is so dumb, too. Like, come on. Like, even it, like, I'm kind of glad, like, it is paper trading for now, but still, bro, like, come on, bro. Like, none of this would have happened. None of this. Would have been break even, took in some profit, then would probably, most likely, probably leave a contract open to these highs and just let it ride. And if it just goes break even, it goes break even. But still have another profit target in these highs. Profit target 2 would be here. And then, yeah, just let the last one ride. That's it. So what was that? Overall, not a bad trade. Besides these complications, it's so dumb, bro. But anyways, besides the point, followed my plan. Followed my plan. Showed up. Followed my plan. Saw what I saw. Um, then again, the things that I did wrong was enter two. I guess late. This would be considered late because it's already a premium. Premium, then discount. If you guys don't know what that is, this would be it. Premium area, discount area. Yeah, that'd be it. Um, not a bad trade. No, no. And that's it. Should be it. Just let it ride over time. If anything happens, if it breaks you even, then at least you got something out of it, which is good. Remember, you're just trying to keep small profits. You always gain small profits, bro. Let me see if I can pull up a verse for y'all. So let's see. I know it's in about why I believe in why I had to change that mindset of all that quick dopamine. See if I can find it. It was Proverbs for sure. Here it is. I have to find it for y'all. Many blessed Lord, may you rich. The storms. Let me see if I can find it for y'all. People who accept this is Proverbs. Was it Proverbs chapter 11 verse 16? No, it's 15. Sorry, no, sorry. Damn, 17. People who accept the discipline are on the pathway to life. Okay, it even says Proverbs on the Bible tells you, bro, to be disciplined. There's one here that says, when trying to gain wealth, it has to say, you can't get rich quick. It even talks about that in the Bible. It not only says that, it says you to be you have to be consistent, get increments because through increments it starts to add up. It adds up, bro. And if you keep thinking about this like, oh, I'm gonna get rich off of one trade. I mean, yeah, but you could also blow it in one trade. But if you're just consistent, continuously just keep striving for increments. Like, let's say like these. Have this as an example. Let's say you got this days. Don't worry about this. This is like, yeah, it's whatever. these. Imagine you're just consistent, just having hundreds, 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 hundreds. Bro, that's literally $100 that you didn't have the day before. Like, come on now. Just hundreds, 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 hundreds. Like, it just adds up, bro. And then when you start scaling, imagine like, let's put this other in perspective for y'all. Let me see. Because let's say, because I've tested my my edge overall over the course of 11 months through back testing. I think it was 10 months. 10 months, and I was able to gain at least 74% within that 10 months. 74% towards my account. So let's say I had like a 50k towards that, towards building that 37,000. That's nice, right? But let's say I've gained 74% within that year. Max taxation, what would it be, like 300, 400, whatever it is? 200k, like come on now, bro. This is just through consistency. My win rate is like, what, 54? Let me show y'all, bro. Just through back testing alone. And your wins could outweigh your losses. Why? Because your stop loss is your stop. I mean, your risk to reward is just 1% always, bro. It is 58% win rate through all these back tests through back 11 months. Was able to calculate that, made 70, was it 74? 74%. Imagine if you kept on scaling that throughout the whole year. Started with 50. You get 50, let's say within, I don't know, a couple months. You get at least 6% within, like, let's say 3 months. You get 3,000. Take that out. Start scaling more accounts. Go through 150. You get like, let's say it was like sort of an okay week. You get like 3%. Sorry, there you go. 4,500. Scale that again. Then you get like 300k. You know? And then let's say this was like your banger week. You get like 9%, which is insane. 27,000. Like, come on now, bro. It's just increments. It's all small. You need to focus on the smaller picture here. You need to gain small profits to gain bigger, to get a bigger outcome. It's the small things that make you up there, bro. Small things. A little, like I told you, bro. Like it could. This is really good, strong draw on liquidity. These equal highs, and it might even reach it. So, like I said, stay disciplined. Small increments. Keep it small. You don't have to get big. You don't have to try and scale fast because all these YouTubers, all these people, oh, I'm getting millions of dollars. Bro, like they have their journey to, they have to start off small. Yeah, but there's some that are like, want that dopamine, want to scale quick. Like, bro, no, it's not. God's definitely not gonna let you scale quick for sure, because He's trying to prepare you, bro. Trying to prepare you for the longevity game. So, anyways, let's let this ride, and I'll just post about it. Might as well. I'll post about it if it does hit though. But anyways, that's the advice of encouragement for y'all. For sure. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Have a good day.